All right, guys, we are back. This is K-Talk Radio 1640 AM. This is the show Utah Home Sweet Home. I am your host, Yoshi Shiraki. And today we've been talking about building a power team. But before we jump into the next topic of power team members, which is partners. And by the way, guys, there's a lot more people than I had time to share on this show. Before we jump into partners, if you've missed any part of the show, you can go to our website, www.utahhomesweethome.com, and scroll down to the bottom of any of the pages on our website, and you're going to see social media links on there. And if you click on YouTube, you'll be able to see every show we've ever done. We have recorded, filmed every single show we've ever done. And so if you're a visual person, you prefer to watch the videos, or if you're, just somebody who likes to push play and stick the phone in your pocket and listen to it as you're driving or whatever it may be, you're going to be able to hear all sorts of great content on our channel, as I talked about. In my personal opinion, based off of all of the guests, we've had some all-stars on our show, some big-time real estate investing players here in the state of Utah on our show, discussing topics about investing. If one was to spend the time to watch every single video on our channel, real estate related, some of the videos are restaurant reviews, just so you know. We go and review restaurants, so we can share with you guys, good places to eat. Maybe you're new to Utah and don't know where to eat. Maybe you just stuck to your bubble and eat at the same place over and over and you want to venture out. We do restaurant reviews. We do field trip Fridays, just ideas on what to do, with your kids, stuff like that. But real estate related, if you went and watched every single real estate related video on our channel, I bet that you would be able to invest in your first property if you haven't already. There has been so much phenomenal content shared on our channel from myself, from all the guests, on tips and secrets and all of this amazing stuff, that if you truly took notes, went through it all, listened to it, you'd probably be able to have enough education to get started and invest in your first deal. So definitely check out utahhomesweethome.com. Like I said, go down to the very bottom, click on YouTube. We've got so many other cool videos on there too. We tour $1 Million homes, which is really, really fun. We've got a segment called $1 Million Home Sweet Home, where we tour multi-million-dollar homes here in the state of Utah. Obviously, it has to be a pretty home, it has to be $1 million home, and it has to be here in Utah. So kind of a cool thing to be able to see how Utah $1 million homes look like here in our state. And we go from Park City to Heber to Salt Lake City to Sandy to, there's $1 million homes all throughout the state, of course. And so we don't just stick to one particular area. So really, really cool. We've got those videos on there as well. But where I'm going with this is definitely check out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. We do our best to try and answer those questions in the comment section. Might not be immediate, but if you've got a question based off of something you saw in a video, then definitely leave a question and we'll get back to you. And again, we're here to help you. So, but let's get back to partners. Okay, so how do we find partners? Well, here's the thing. Partners are everywhere, right? Again, going back, that's why I started with it. Great place to find partners is the Real Estate Investing Association. Why? Because everybody at the Real Estate Investing Association wants to invest in real estate, or they wouldn't be at the Real Estate Investing Association. You don't go to a Real Estate Investing Association, once a month if you have no desire or interest in wanting to invest in real estate. You go there because that's what you want to do, right? You don't go to a basketball court once a week to play basketball if you hate basketball. If you want to go find people to play basketball with, head on over to a basketball court, and there are probably people there who want to play basketball. Same concept. By going to the Real Estate Investing Associations, you're going to find people who want to invest in real estate, and maybe some of them are in the same situation as other people in that they don't have a lot of capital, a lot of funds, and so they can partner up with one another, merge their income, merge their capital, and be able to buy investment properties. So great place to find them, whether you're going to flip, whether you're going to buy long term. Another place, of course, is just everybody and anybody that you know. It just depends on how bad do you want this, right? Do you want to, go to a real estate investing association, find a stranger that you don't even know, and invest in a property with them that is now going to be like a marriage, and then 6 months into it you realize, oh my gosh, what did I do? I have the worst business partner in the world. He's so controlling, he's so demanding, he's so bossy, and now it's an unhappy marriage. Or do you prefer to go find a partner who's your best friend, right? Or somebody like a colleague that you work with, or somebody that you already know that you get along with? That might be a better situation. Although that person might not want to invest in real estate. That could be the hiccup. But hypothetically, where I'm going with this is if you start just sharing with everybody that you're looking to start purchasing long-term buy and hold or fix and flip houses, you just start putting it out there. Just like if you were to start telling people that you want to start playing basketball, or you want to start getting in shape, so you joined a gym, or whatever it is that you want to start doing. If you just start telling people you also want to start investing in real estate, then people are going to, who also want to invest in real estate, basically reciprocate the message and say, hey, oh my gosh, that's crazy, because so do I. I want to do that as well, right? Just like the people that you've told, I want to get in shape, so I'm joining a gym, and somebody else says, oh my gosh, I just joined a gym. I want to get in shape too. We should work out together. Same concept, same idea. It's not as hard as people think. They overthink it. Just start sharing with others what it is that you want to do. And if you start sharing with others what it is that you want to do, you want to start investing in real estate, you want to start fixing and flipping houses, you want to start buying rental properties, eventually you might find the same person, you might find somebody who says, I want to do the same, right? Everybody that I tell that I, joined a gym because I want to get in shape, not everybody says, oh, me too, but there's been a couple, right? And from those couple, I've actually worked out with them now, and I have a workout partner. One. From those couple of people, one of them, right? Same kind of concept. So just start sharing with people that you want to start investing in real estate, and those types of people will start to come your way, as well as, again, like I said, head over to the real estate investing associations. All right, so hopefully this gives you a head start for those of you who are like, no, I'm seriously wanting to invest in some real estate. I got to change my life. I want to do that today. I want to make this happen right now. Then this might be the thing for you. We're gonna end this show right now. You're gonna jump onto Google and you are going to start searching these individuals. You're gonna start searching the Real Estate Investing Association I mentioned earlier on the show. Start finding out when we meet. And like I said, if you missed any part of the show, head to UtahHomesweetHome.com, scroll to the bottom, click on the YouTube channel, and you can watch this show again later. All right? So on that note, I hope you all have a spectacular rest of the day, and I will see you guys. Actually, we will talk again next week.